You constantly choke under pressure, perform far below what you know you're capable of, or just can't seem to compete at the same level you practice at? Well, we're going to start to change that today. Where's the problem start? With the narratives running through your head. And yes, the words that compose those narratives and those thoughts. Negative thoughts can make you feel like you're more responsible, or you understand the risks better than everyone else, or you're just more realistic about the outcomes. But what they're really doing is shifting your attention onto and towards obstacles rather than what needs to be executed. And this creates the tension and the hesitation that leads to what? The outcome you were trying to avoid. And then that outcome further reinforces the brain's predictive mechanism, and there you are, stuck in a slump, a losing streak, call it what you want, but you have become your own obstacle. You are now your own biggest distraction. So why does this happen? Well, you're human, and nature designed you to make decisions that ensure you are here tomorrow. So when a perceived threat shows up, your nervous system will do what's necessary to protect you. And it does that by overinflating fears, which lead to an entire downstream cascade of physical reactions and worst case stories to match those reactions. Most of the time, you've probably already lost to the stories running through your head long before stepping onto the playing field or dropping into the half pipe. What if the real secret to handling pressure isn't positive self-talk? What if top athletes have learned to command their nervous system by managing and mastering boring, neutral speech to keep their attention focused on what needs to be done instead of what to avoid? Today, we're breaking down attribution theory and then moving into neutral thinking and how these tools can get your nervous system refocused. Attribution theory is another sports-like concept that really just relates to the degree of self-criticism on one end of the spectrum with I'm awful at this, I always collapse under pressure, as default stories. And on the other side, you have more objective and really kind of boring speech and thoughts going through your head. And this graduates and merges into the concept of neutral thinking and speech, which I was introduced to over a decade ago by the late Trevor Moawad back at IMG Academy in Bradenton, Florida. You can call it what you want, but it boils down to shifting your inner critic's voice, and even really your actual external voice, into neutral. Neutral objective speech diffuses that emotional time bomb that goes off when negative self-berating stories show up. They also give your brain clarity on what needs to be done next. Replacing you always screw up everything with don't screw up again isn't going to get you anywhere. So where do we start? Awareness. If you're a high-level athlete, you probably already know what stories are going to repeat and when they're going to show up. This can even happen long before the game even starts, days before sometimes. But maybe at the starting gate, maybe the top of the half pipe. It does usually occur in those gaps and pauses though, that downtime. Be ready for them and ready to counter them with canned neutral statements that keep you focused on the controllable actions needed to keep playing and reduce the negative mental residue and the tension from bleeding into the next action. This even can work on the fly. Ask yourself, what's the controllable, objective reason that just happened? Or what is the next action I need to take? Either way, leave the dramatic sob stories out of it. Even simple statements are powerful. Staying calm under pressure is normal for me. I score goals when it matters most. Train yourself to speak with conviction. You might find this difficult at first, but couple your speech with strong posture. Shoulders back, chin up. Move with purpose, steady your breath, and no rushing. At High Performance Theory, we're about helping you train your mind and body to work for you so you can keep your talent and skill within reach under any and all circumstances. Start with awareness. Shift your language and command that nervous system.